In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the cursor issues of your mouse and Wacom pen on the Miro board. Whether you're using a mouse or a Wacom tablet, having a smooth and responsive cursor is crucial for an efficient workflow, especially when you're working on projects, collaborating with teams, or brainstorming ideas. Now, let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to head over to Miro.com. This is your go-to platform for collaborative whiteboarding. If you haven't already, make sure you bookmark it for easy access in the future. Once there, you'll find the login option. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be greeted with different sign-in options. You can either use your email or, if you prefer, your Google account. Choose the one that's most convenient for you. When you're signing in, just double check to make sure you're entering the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. After you're logged in, click on Continue with Email to proceed if that's the method you're using. Now navigate to your Miro dashboard where you can see all your boards. Simply click on the board where you're experiencing cursor issues. This is where we'll make the necessary adjustments to fix the problem. Once you're on your board, direct your gaze to the top of the screen. Do you see the vertical 3 dots next to your board's name? That's what you want to click on next. This will open up a menu for you to explore further options related to your board. Within this menu, you're going to click on Preferences. This is where most of the customization for your board happens, and it's the key to addressing our cursor issue. In the Preferences menu, you'll see an option for mouse or trackpad. Click on this as it's fundamental for configuring how your input devices interact with the board. Finally, within the mouse or trackpad settings, there should be an option labeled Auto Detect. Click on it to activate. The Auto Detect feature is designed to automatically adjust the settings for your input device, ensuring that both your mouse and Wacom pen provide optimal performance on the board. And that's it. By following these steps, you should now have a cursor that moves more fluidly and responds much better, allowing you to focus on your creative process without having to worry about technical interruptions. If you experience any further issues, revisiting these settings and making sure Auto Detect is correctly configured can often help resolve any lingering problems. Thanks for tuning in to today's tutorial. Remember, a smooth user experience makes all the difference, so keep these steps in mind next time you're working on the Miro board. Happy collaborating!